0.025 kilograms of an unknown metal is produced. It's believed to be gold. 10.8 calories of energy are used to raise the metal's temperature from 10.0 degrees Celsius to 23.6 degrees Celsius. Due to impurities, a 2% specific heat match will confirm if the metal is gold or not. Is the unknown metal gold? And gold has a specific heat of 0.1314 joules per gram degrees Celsius. Okay, we got a lot of information here to contend with. So, like always, we got to make sure that we stay organized, right? Let's write our data down. What do we know? We know that we have a piece of metal, and they gave it the mass in kilograms. I'm going to go ahead and put it in grams. It's just 25 grams at the end of the day, okay? Its initial temperature